Okay. Curious learners, many thanks for your interest to my online class. Today is a hazy day, but I think your mind is fresh and you feel quite sound. You are living in safe and sound, staying at home, and I hope in this morning you are in your reading room. Today I am going to discuss on infinitives. Before going right form of verbs, before going the function of right form of verbs, I have discussed on different types of verbs. So today I am going to discuss on infinitives. You should learn about infinitive because it is one type of verb which is used in sentences or language. At first, listen and see definition of infinitives. Infinitive is one type of verb of non-finite verb, and a verb that is usually used with to before and acts as noun, adjective, verb and adverb. It is called infinitives. Infinitive is a verb of present form and used to before the present form of verb. তাহলে with to the present form of verb is called infinitive, and it acts as noun, adjective, verb and adverb. At first, there are two types of infinitives. One is bare infinitive, another is to infinitive. When in a sentence before the verb to is silent or invisible, the verb is called bare infinitive. Following, see the example, I saw him go. Here, before go, to is silent, invisible. So go is bare infinitive. The sentence would be, I saw him to go, but there is no use to before go. So go is bare infinitive. Then to infinitive. There is another example, let him do the work. Here also to is silent or invisible. The sentence would be, let him to go to do the work. Let him to do the work. But do before do to is invisible and silent. So it also bare infinitive. Next come to infinitive. If there is to before present form of verb, with to the verb is called to infinitive, and it works as noun. To say is easy. Follow the example. To say is easy. Here to say is to infinitive. To learn a foreign language is difficult. Here to learn, to is used before say and learn. With to say to learn is to infinitive. There are two kinds of infinitive, noun infinitive and gerundial or qualifying infinitive. So what is noun infinitive? When a verb with to acts as noun, it is called noun infinitive. Follow the example, to foreign is divine. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. Here, to forgive, it is to it is noun infinitive because to forgive acts as noun, as subject in the sentence. And she likes to cook. Here, to cook is noun infinitive because it has word as noun. Next, gerundial or qualifying infinitive. When the present form of verb with to works as verb, adjective, and adverb, and acts as, express as aim, cause, results, and condition. With to, the verb will be gerundial or qualifying infinitive. Listen, I again say, when a verb with to express or means aim, cause, results, or condition, then with to the verb will be said gerundial or qualifying infinitive. Dear affectionate learners, for 3 days I have given my online class on verbs. I have discussed different types of verbs such as finite, non-finite, auxiliary principal, and from non-finite I have discussed on participle gerund and infinitives. Today I have discussed on infinitives. It is primary discussion, but there are many uses of infinitives, participle, and gerunds. I shortly or briefly discussed because we have main work when we shall discuss on the right form of verbs. You will know more then, and you will be able to use right form of verbs then. So today I don't want to extend my lecture on online class. Step by step I shall go on right form of verbs. Primarily I discussed and you have got an idea about verbs. Next class I shall discuss on 2 types of principal verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs. You will be able to know about transitive and intransitive verbs. So thank you very much. And lastly, I want to give you message of Sri Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. He said, যতই পরের দোষ দিবি তুই, নিজের জাদুষ এড়াতে পেয়ে বসবে সে দোষ তোমায়, পারবে না পা বাড়াতে। I again say, যতই পরের দোষ দিবি তুই, নিজের জাদুষ এড়াতে পেয়ে বসবে সে দোষ তোমায় দিবে না পা বাড়াতে। So don't try to fault with others. Always you should be honest, sincere, truthful, and always try to find out where there is fault you have, and you should be honest and sincere, and you should keep yourself in truthful way. You should lead your life in honest way. Thank you very much. All the best. No more today.